So, nandito siya sa kanya. Naghalo-halo lang po ako nito kasi
the memories coming back to me. One more time I have to see. It was a perfect day.